The governor of Enugu State, Governor Peter Mbah, has issued a 20-day ultimatum to construction companies to speed up all ongoing Phase 1 road projects across the state by mobilizing both day and night work. He threatened that companies unable to meet up with this will be blacklisted and therefore will not be able to secure any subsequent jobs in the state. If you recall well, in October we made a video where the governor of Enugu State, Governor Peter Mbah, flagged up about 71 urban roads in Enugu and giving them a December deadline to meet up with the completion of all these projects. In today's video, we'll be sharing with you an update on over 10 of these road projects currently ongoing in Enugu State. If you're new to our channel, you're welcome to Arlin TV. Do well to click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell so whenever we upload videos like this, you get to see it. And if you're a returning subscriber, as always, thank you so much. We would love to know your thoughts on all these projects currently ongoing in Enugu State. And if you reside in Enugu State and there's a road construction work currently going on around your premise, let us know in the comment section. We'll be so excited to go and check it out ourselves. For most of these projects, there's at least a 6-feet excavation first done and then filling of the road to make sure that, according to the governor, every road constructed in his regime would last for nothing less than 2 to 3 decades. So guys, let's take a look at these projects.
The people of Enugu, our brothers, that this road will be done in the best way possible. It's a quality job. We will not compromise our quality. We will not compromise what will affect our reputation. This is the basic of everything. And after that, we will make sure that we will finish it in the fastest way possible. We cannot accept to delay on this job. It's not in our benefit. It's not in benefit of Enugu people. It's not in benefit of anyone to delay. We want to finish this job as soon as we can, with the best possible. But of course, we cannot put 10 machines on one section. It has to take its own time, and the time is needed for things to cure. In case it's stone based or in concrete or in takes time.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video. Please, we would love to know your thoughts on all these projects. And if you've watched till now, you've not subscribed, please do well to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, so whenever we upload videos like this, you get to see it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. We'll catch you all in our next video. Bye.